Alright guys, here is the FourCandies mechanical pencil set that I got. Comes in a nice plastic case. You of course get 3 pencils. They've got a nice feel to them. Little gel grip there. Easily retracts the lead. Pushes back in, no problem. Nice and lightweight, airy feel. Then you get 180 refills. I got the 0.5 millimeter here. So you get 3 of those. Give you a nice big eraser with it. And you get 9 eraser refills as well. Okay, so this is one of the images I've been using with my tracing board and using the FourCandies pencil. So I just wanted to give you an idea of how these pencils look. So let me turn the light off there. So far I'm pretty happy with these pencils. I mean, they work pretty good. I mean, at least for what I need them to do.